Welcome to lecture in physics actually, and we are going to take the problem of MSTCUT 2016. The topic of the name of chapter is kinetic theory of gases, in which they has explained the pressure exerted by gas on the walls of container, and that is represented by P. Whenever a container along with certain gas is taken, it consists of large number of molecules. The molecules are n. Mass of each molecule is small m. If capital M is the total mass of the gas, then capital M equal to N into M should be taken under consideration. V is the volume of the gas, rho is density of the gas, and Vrms is root mean square velocity of the molecules. P is the pressure of the gas. We must remember the expression for pressure in terms of this density and RMS velocity. That pressure is none other than P is equal to 1/3 rho V RMS square. Okay, so what they has asked us the expression for pressure in terms of kinetic energy. We know very well that kinetic energy is given by half m v square, where m is the mass of the objects, mass of the molecule, mass of the gas. V is velocity of the objects, velocity of the molecule, or you may say velocity of the gas. But for the present situation, we have to consider this small m as mass of the gas as capital M, and Vrms as velocity of the molecules. Okay, so it can be rearranged like this. Pressure P is equal to 1/3 rho means density. Density means mass upon volume should be taken under consideration. Just I would like to write this expression somehow like this: mass upon volume equal to density, and that's why density rho is equal to mass capital M of the gas upon capital V volume of the gas. Should be kept somewhere here. Capital M upon capital V, mass per unit volume, V RMS square. What I have to expect, I am trying to prepare the expression of kinetic energy as half mv square. That can be done in this way. P is equal to 1/3 into half into m v RMS square. What's about this v? This v can be written below it. Okay. And how you can put the value of half somewhere here? It can be done by multiplying it by 2. Therefore 2 into half means 2 to get cancelled, simply m Vrms square, the earlier expression. What is this? Half m Vrms square means half mass into velocity square. Half mass into velocity is called as kinetic energy of the gas. Therefore pressure P is equal to this 2 as it is upon this 3 into now half m v RMS square. Half m mass into velocity square is nothing but kinetic energy upon this volume. This can be read as kinetic energy upon volume, kinetic energy divided by volume, or you may say kinetic energy per unit volume. So what we got? Pressure is equal to 2/3 kinetic energy per unit volume. So this is the final answer of that question. So this is how you can get the answer of that question, and you detect that that is nothing but option number B. B is the correct option for that choice, my MCQ. Thank you for joining the lecture.